The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any dead or alive person or company.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video tutorial I will show you something different. I will show you that how you can find out the most viral post and the social media sites, and how you can use that post to make money online. So before I start the tutorial, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, join our Facebook group, premium share to get daily updates. So in my YouTube, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then you should check out my video playlist of affiliate marketing and CPA marketing, where I have already uploaded a lot of videos related to affiliate and CPA marketing and other useful stuff. So you should check out those videos and make sure to subscribe my channel to get more videos later. And you can also join our Facebook group premium share to get some premium stuffs. Okay, so at first you have to come over Google Trends. I'm sure most of you know that what is Google Trends. Anyway, so after you come to your Google Trends, you have to go for Explore, and from Explore you have to choose a country what you are targeting. So most of us use USA, United States, so keep it United States and go for 30 days. Okay, now here from the search topic, choose that one which is not above 300%. So here's the topic called Halloween. This Halloween topic is increasing. So let's select suitable topic related to that Halloween. So this is Hello Kitty. So just search with that Hello Kitty in your social media site like Facebook. So in Facebook, search with that keyword Hello Kitty, or you can go with other keywords that you get from Google Trends. So after you search with that Hello Kitty, here I find out some pages, big page. Okay, this brand. Okay, so we can use it no matter. So in this page you can see there are a lot of engagement here. So there are a lot of posts and a lot of engagement. So how we can find out the best, most shareable post from that page? So for this we have to add an extension for that in our Google Chrome web browser. So go to your Google Chrome web store and type here in the search bar Viral Finder. So after you type in Viral Finder, click on extension, and then on the right side scroll down, and then you will see this extension name Facebook Page Analyzer. So select it and add to your Chrome store. After you add this to your Chrome extension, then go to your Facebook page and then click on that extension. Now it will redirect you to another page. So here you have to give the page name that you get from Google Trends. So you can give that Hello Kitty name here, what we got from that Google Trend. So let's find out. Okay, so when I just typing here our keyword, we can see the page here with a great amount of people engaging here. So just click on analyze. So you can see that we can analyze the post from different type of categories, and also we can analyze them with a certain time. We can certain period of time. We can go for 1 week or 30 days would be great for us. And always select photos and unselect videos, and then roll this. So here you can see that we got a most shareable post from last 7 days or last 30 days with that page. So you can see, okay, we can click on that the post, and now we are able to see the actual post, which one is getting most likes or which post is getting most shares or comments. So how we can use that viral post to make money. So for this this, we are going to design some t-shirt based on that viral post. So we can simply create an affiliate, create and publisher account on Teespring, Teespring related sites like TeePublic or Redbubble or March by Amazon, and create design based on that topic. So as you can see, there are a lot of people who uploaded t-shirt based on that keyword. So if you just create, suppose this, you create these t-shirts and you copy that t-shirt link and post that t-shirt in that comment section. So I hope from this you will get some sale with a free traffic, free highly targeted traffic, as they are already interested in that particular keyword, in that particular niche. So if you find that is pretty hard, so pretty hard topic, so we can go with another keyword, like we can go with the political keyword that goes very well. So for this, let's analyze another topic here. So go back to that analyzer page and clear all. Okay, so now type here some political name related to okay, so you can type here Donald Trump. So simply type here Donald Trump memes or sarcasm or jokes, etc. So then you will find out the pages which got most amount of traffic or people, I mean most amount of engagement. So just go for that page and find out the most shareable post or photo from that page. So let's select a page from that. Okay, so okay, this look pretty cool, so just analyze that page. And okay, so you can see there are a lot of posts in last 30 days. So just scroll, just analyze this, and you can see there, this is loading 200 and 300 posts maybe. Okay, 300 posts in last 30 days. It's a huge amount. So you can just uncheck those links and video, and then you can short this with that share or comment. So if you just short this with that short this with that share or comment, now you will see the most shareable or commentable post here. So just make design based on that text image and upload that design, t-shirt design here, and you can expect a pretty good sale, a pretty good amount of sale from that post. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like this tutorial, and make sure to hit the thumbs up button for support me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.